Tell me, I want to know, because sis, what is this? Okay. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ebony. I do hair videos, reviews, etc. If you want to see that and more, go ahead and subscribe. Today I did a Melanin wash and go, and this is what the product looks like. And if you haven't already seen that video where I did my initial review doing a braid out on the Melanin hair care, go ahead and watch that. And if you want to see how my hair turned out with that wash and go ahead and continue to watch. I'll see you in the video. So I'm starting off with my hair in a plastic bag. As you guys know, if you watch my other videos, I have low porosity hair. So I have my hair in a bag just to keep the moisture. But yeah, it's dripping wet, freshly deep conditioned, and we're ready to apply our leave-in, then the Melanin styling cream, then my gel. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into two sections just to apply my leave-in. I don't really like to section my hair off to apply my leave-in. I just kind of part it off in halves. Okay, so after I've gotten my leave-in in, I'm gonna go ahead and basically do the same thing with my Melanin. I'm hoping that the twist elongating style cream will elongate my wash and go and kind of take some of the frizz down, because I know that with some styling creams, my hair frizzes up. Like, you can see that my hair is like a frizzier texture. So you know we always gotta braid out. That bounce, like that deep conditioner had me like, got me looking healthier. Like, you see that? So I'm gonna do a quick length check. So I don't know if you can even see that, but look at that. All the way down my back, sis. Check out my first video. Can't remember the exact name of it, but check that out. Something speed it up just so that you guys can see, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Okay guys, so I'm back. These are the results of just putting the product in my hair. I'll come back tomorrow and show you like the final results once it's completely dry, but this is what it's looking like. Lots of movement. Now it looks like the wash and go that I did with the Eco Stellar Gold kind of reminds me of that, but I just note that the hold is a little bit stronger. I'm hoping that my roots don't frizz up. I'm kind of thinking they will, because this product is softening, and with softening products, like, it kind of makes my roots swell, so I'm hoping that that won't be the case, but I don't know, I'm just kind of feeling like it's gonna swell. But I'm just gonna continue to show you the rest. I hope you can see it against my shirt, because I know this shirt is not the best, but yeah, you guys get the gist. So as you can see, it's got my curls very defined. Now the application. After I applied the styling cream, as I was detangling, the detangling process went so smooth, like so smooth. After I put the gel on, the slip wasn't as good as if I hadn't put the gel in. And I know you're probably like, duh, but when I've tried another product, it's like the product helped the gel with the slip, if you get what I'm saying. So if you're looking for a lot of slip, I don't know if this is going to be the leave-in for you. If you're looking for a product with a lot of slip for a braid out, this is definitely it. Like, hands down, this gave me the best braid out ever. Now I'm hoping that this wash and go turns out really good, but like I was saying, the slip wasn't that great when combined with the gel. Otherwise, the slip is wonderful. Like, you guys know I love this Melanin product, so I'm hoping that this, you know, doesn't get frizzy at the roots. I'm hoping it stays, you know, intact. But see what I mean? Like right in here. Okay, you guys, so it's the next day and it's the morning. My wash and go is pretty much dry. I think it's like about 95% dry, and I want you guys to guess what happened. Just take a moment, comment down below, what do you think happened? Remember what I was saying a little earlier in the video. What do you think happened? Gonna give you a second. Oh yeah, and subscribe too. Gonna give you a second. Okay. These are my results. So as you can see, it's not pretty. I don't necessarily think the Melanin product is bad just because the wash and go turned out terribly. It's just not for my hair. My hair is very frizzy, so when I apply products that dilute the hold of my gel, it doesn't work out well. So as you can see, I've got very defined pieces and then it just frizzes out. Like, you guys, I don't even want to show you the back because the back is terrible. And I'm on my way to work, so I gotta figure out how to make this work. But I'm gonna show you the back. So this is the side. Look at all that frizz. And the back. Pieces. I really wanted this to turn out good. I really wanted to like it, but it's just not for me with the wash and go. I don't think I'll be trying this again. And if I do, I'll use a lot less product, but I mean, I don't think I'll be trying this again. I feel as though I'm just gonna be sticking with the braid outs and twist outs with the Melanin hair product, just because it does not go well with the wash and go for me. Now, you guys who are like die-hard Whitney fans, I love her too, okay? Don't come at me because this didn't work out for me. I love her. I will continue to support the product, but it just, look, the results speak for itself, so you know I shouldn't have to say too much. But like I said, I'll continue to use it for braid outs and twist outs, but it's just not for me with wash and goes. If you guys have tried this, let me know down in the comment section. And I know in my last video, a lot of you guys said that you were going to try it with a wash and go, or you currently were using it with a wash and go. What were your results like? You know, tell me. Let's start a conversation. Tell me. I want to know, because sis, what is this? Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and
Bye.
Alright, we'll see you in the next video.